you guys ready to get blown away? Come on, let's do this girly Shein haul with me. Since it's spring into summer, we're gonna be doing press-on nails haul. First off, we've got this 576 pieces of short square mixed color full cover fake nail set for only $3.78. You get different assorted colors, as you guys can see. The second one we got is the 24 pieces of short square French style nail for only $1.63. Next up, we got the 24 pieces of the long almond mirror effect nail for $1.60 for the pack. Next to it, we have the 24 pieces of the long square marble print fake nail for $2 for the pack. And right next to the marble nails, we got the 24 pieces of the short white square fake nails for $1.20 for the pack. Okay, we're moving on over to this set of nails here, which are still fingernails. You have 144 pieces of long coffin fake nails for $2.80. Guys, these are matte nails. They're matted. We're moving on to the toenails right now, guys. As you can see, we got one box square solid fake toenails in multicolor, just like the first one I showed you for the fingernails. These are the toenails for it. Okay guys, this one I'm pointing on right here right now is the 24 pieces of the short square flower pattern fake toenails for only $1.90. Right next to the flowered toenails where I'm pointing, this is the 24 pieces of the short square French style fake toenail for $1.60 for the pack. And last but not least, for the toenails, we have one box of the short square plain fake toenails in white for $1.70, and this is it on nails, guys. And all of these do come with a nail file and the sticky thing, so you can stick it up on your nails if you don't want to apply the glue. But for my opinion, the glue is better. We're moving on to the nail products which I got this so you can buff the nails when you put it on the press on. It has buff, shine, polish, file written on it. And I also got those clips. So this is a clip which is used to hold down the press-on nail after you've stuck it on with the glue. But my opinion on this is that it doesn't work. Come on, Shein, you need to do better than this. This is very flimsy and it doesn't stay on. I've tried it. As you guys can see, I also got this foot scraper or file, as it is like a razor blade. This is a zigzag end, as you can see. This end is zigzag, and this end right here is really sharp. So after you've soaked your foot, you can scrape off the dead callus using this, but you gotta be very careful. This is it on my mini Shein nail summer haul. Hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, don't forget to like the video, share, comment, subscribe. That's it.